Hello, data enthusiasts. Welcome to another episode of Data Delve. Today, we're diving deep into the Pandas library in Python and exploring the powerful melt function. This function is a game changer when it comes to reshaping your data frames. Let's unravel the mysteries of the melt function together. Before we jump into the code, let's understand what the melt function does. In essence, it transforms wide format data frames into long format ones. This can be particularly useful when dealing with time series data or any scenario where you want to pivot your data for better analysis. Imagine you have a data frame with columns representing different months and corresponding values. The melt function will help us convert this wide format data frame into a more manageable long format. Let's switch to our code editor and see the melt function in action. We'll start by creating a sample data frame with ID, Jan, February, and Mar columns. As you can see, our original data frame is wide, making it challenging for certain analyses. Now, let's apply the melt function to reshape this data frame. Keeping the ID column as the identifier variable, id_vars, while melting the other columns into two new columns, month and value, and voila! Our data frame has undergone a transformation. Each row now represents a unique combination of id, month, and value. This long format is often more convenient for analysis, especially when dealing with time series data or preparing data for visualization. To sum it up, the melt function is a handy tool in your data manipulation toolkit, helping you reshape and pivot your data frames with ease. Whether you're working on time series data or need a tidy format for analysis, the melt function has got you covered. Thank you for joining us on this Data Delve journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious, keep coding, and happy data exploring.